Navigating the Sequence Editor, Part 2 of 10.
Hello and welcome back to another training video. My name is Alicia and I am part of the Tascus customer support team. Today we will go through an overview of navigating the Sequence Editor and learn how to create a sequence within Tascus. Let's get started.
Start by opening the Sequence Editor window. This will load a blank sequence where you can click Open in the right corner. Use the Sequence Revision drop-down list to load all the existing sequences. Now you have chosen one to open, click the tick icon. All the steps within the sequence will be shown in the cells. On the right, you will be shown details of the sequence, from which sequence is currently open and what projects they are in. On the left, you can create a new sequence by clicking File, New. This will load a window where you can click Create New Sequence Name. This will load a window allowing you to type a new sequence name and to link it to a project if required. Press the tick icon and choose a revision and click the tick icon again. Now you are ready to start adding steps to your sequence. On the left, you can use the step type drop-down list to choose which step to get started. For the first step, we are using the display work instruction. Type a step description. Ensure this is precise as it essentially explains the step's purpose during an operation. Set a target time. This is used to estimate how long the operator should spend on this particular step. The minimum display time is used to temporarily disable the continue option during an operation, depending on what time has been set, this example being 5 seconds. Now you can press the add icon, which will add and save your step to the sequence. You can then continue to add more steps to the sequence using the same method. Selecting a step type, filling in the step description and target time, and the fields below will be different for each step type. Then press Add. As you continue the sequence process, your steps will be displayed within the cells, building your sequence. In the columns, you have your description, which is the step description that you created at the start of each step. A column to leave comments. The action after details. The estimated time for each step. Whether there are conditions set for particular steps. And lastly, the step ID. Once your steps are completed, exit the Sequence Editor and locate the Tascus icon on the home page. Select Trial Run Sequence, which will load this window. Use the drop-down list to find your sequence. This will load your sequence steps and press Start. Now you can see how your sequence would look during a production without collecting data or making any changes. In the bottom left of the Sequence Editor, you have a range of tick boxes to include in a step, whether to skip a step if confirmation should be required during an operation, whether or not to include the step result in a report, or if the operator should wait to press continue. The conditions icon enables you to configure a range of condition types for a step. The preview icon allows you to quickly see what the step will look like during an operation. The edit icon can be used in certain steps to add additional information. In this example, the display work instruction allows you to add media files and text instructions. In the bottom middle of the Sequence Editor, you have a range of options to control the sequence steps, whether to copy and paste a step, move a step up and down within the sequence, or to delete a step from the list. Lastly, next to this, you can see the overall numbers of steps and the overall estimated sequence time. In the next video, we will go through the sequence step types in more detail, with an overview of each step type and how you can confidently implement them into your sequences.